In a meticulously planned operation that is once again exposed the vulnerabilities of the city's financial security, armed robbers successfully raided a Mukuru money transfer agency in central Bulawayo on Wednesday morning. The daring heist, which saw the criminals vanish with over 78,000 US dollar and half a million South African rand, occurred just a stone's throw away from the Bulawayo Central Police Station, marking another dark chapter in the city's escalating battle against violent crime. Another cash heist. Armed robbers hit Bulawayo again. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. The incident unfolded with chilling precision shortly after 7 a.m. at the corner of the 8th Avenue at Jason Moyo Street. According to police reports, the witness accounts, the robbers did not storm the front entrance like common thugs. Instead, they employed a more sinister tactic, kidnapping the female employee in the parking lot before she could even step into the building to begin her shift. National Police spokesperson Chamisa had confirmed the details of the abduction and the subsequent robbery. The suspects possibly escorted her into the office and ordered her to open the strong room and a safe. Commissioner Yati stated the employee facing the barrel of a gun and the terrifying reality of the situation had little choice but to comply with the demands of the masked assailants. Inside the facility, the robbers worked with a level of efficiency that suggests they had intimate knowledge of the branch's layout and security protocols. They seized exactly 78,141 US dollars and 500,820 rand in cash to ensure their tracks were covered. The gang also dismantled and took the digital video recorder DVR used for surveillance and the branch's panic button, effectively blinding the security system and preventing an immediate alarm from being raised. What makes the heist particularly remarkable and perhaps most disturbing for the local business community is how invisible it was to the public, as the robbery was being carried out in the back room. The branch actually opened for business on schedule at 7 a.m. Customers began queuing and conducting transactions entirely unaware that a major crime was being committed just meters away behind closed doors. Though mamiro zvakaita muri Zimbabwe tiona kuti aiwa the safety aiwa yemari nyika yeZimbabwe panguva inonyatsoonekwa kunzi aiwa yakadhakwa. Tiudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chitaona on the bell icon.